Hello students, my name is and I am going to take basic English grammar class for all of you. As we know that every language has letters, words and sentences, English too has letters, words and sentences. When we combine alphabets, they make meaningful words, and when we combine these meaningful words, they form meaningful sentences. For example, the boys are flying kites. Here we can see that the words have been combined to make meaningful sentence. Therefore, we can say a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. I repeat, a sentence is a group of words that makes meaningful sense. Okay, so you have to remember three important points while writing a sentence. First is, a sentence has to be written with a capital letter, or we can say that it always begins with a capital letter. Next is, if a sentence has to make a complete sense, the words must be placed in proper order. Okay? Now, the third point is, a sentence ends with a full stop, a mark of interrogation or an exclamatory mark. So these 3 points you have to remember, and it is very important. A sentence has two parts, subject and a predicate. Now, what is a subject? The subject of a sentence is a word or a group of words about which something is being said. For example, the boys are flying kites. Here, the boys is the subject because we are talking something about the boys, or we are saying something about the boys. Now, what is a predicate? What is said about the subject is the predicate. For example, the boys are flying kites. Now, are flying kites is the predicate, as something is being said about the subject. Another example can be, Pranav is a very hardworking boy. Here, Pranav is the subject and is a very hardworking boy is the predicate. Another example is, Jayati is doing her homework. Here, Jayati is the subject and is doing her homework is the predicate. Okay, now that's all for today. We'll be uploading regular exercises for all of you. You have to do it regularly and submit it when the school reopens. Thank you and have a very nice day.